Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, answering a fan question. Do pimple popper tools actually work? So while I answer that question, feel free to subscribe and click the notification bell for updates. So how do pimple popper tools work? Well, it's pretty simple. They apply an even amount of pressure around a pimple, which causes the blemish to erupt with minimal damage to the skin. The tools can also be washed with alcohol between uses, which limits the potential for the spread of infection. So the simple answer is yes, they do work. In fact, we'll put a link to our favorite kit below. A good pimple popper kit usually includes various types and sizes of Comedone extractors, a case to put them in, and a lancet to pop those closed Comedones that just won't go away. The kit I like comes with a handy case, and it's much larger than a lot of the cheap knockoffs out of China. So if you're shopping on Amazon, just be careful to get a good kit. The cheap ones will leave you scarred and bloody. Again, there's a link below to my favorite. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.